All right. Hello, law aspirants. A long time no see. I really missed y'all. And I really sympathize with all the CLAT 2026 aspirants. I really sympathize. I feel extremely bad for you. क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, अभी आपके हाथ में स्कोर कार्ड है, बट यू स्टिल डोंट नो व्हाट टू मेक ऑफ दैट स्कोर कार्ड. क्या ये फिक्स है या ये चेंज होगा, कितना चेंज होगा, कैसे चेंज होगा, मैं कौन से कॉलेज में अप्लाई करूं, ब्रीम एनएलयू मिलेगा या नहीं, नहीं मिला तो क्या करूं. I understand. These are some of the worst, thoughts that are going through your mind. Let me help you with that. Let me quickly help you with that. Okay. Here's a small little video that will help you guide everything that you can do with your CLAT scores and other things. Okay. If by chance your CLAT score is also not as good, everything else that you can consider to not let go of this year as a waste. Okay, I know a lot of you cannot afford another gap year or can afford a gap year altogether. It's all right. I sympathize and I'm here to quickly help you with that. Kindly watch the video till the end and share it with your CLAT 2026 aspirants, your fellow CLAT 2026 aspirants, because they are truly on edge right now. All right. So, first thing you need to understand, besides NLUs, there are also 48 private colleges that you can apply to through CLAT score. Okay, now what are those colleges? Okay, now these are all the universities that are going to accept your CLAT scores. So you don't have to give a separate exam for them. Okay, you can just give in your CLAT score. Now, abhi majority of these institutions का registration चालू हो चुका है, पर मेरे पास अभी हाथ में final score नहीं है. करूँ क्या? You can still register with your application number, your CLAT application number, and you can put your final CLAT score later. पर registration तो कर दो, ठीक है? नैया डूब जाए इससे अच्छा है have a backup नैया. Alright? So these are all the colleges that will accept your CLAT score right now or in the future. Okay, Indian International University of Legal Education and Research, Goa, not a bad state to study in. All right, BITS Law School, Bombay. Okay, Kirti P. Mehta School of Law, NMIMS, IM Rohtak. Okay, Institute of Law, Nirma University, UPES Dehradun, University School of Law and Legal Studies, which is in Delhi. Then you've got ISFAI Law School, which is in Jaipur, Bennett in Delhi, Vivekanand in Delhi, okay, NMS in Jaipur, KIIT in Bhubaneswar, IMS Union in Dehradun, Guru Gobind in New Delhi, Army Institute of Law in Mohali, Amity, there's an Amity everywhere, and Lloyd Law College, Noida. So these are almost 16 colleges that you can make use of your CLAT scores with. ठीक है, so ये obviously non NLUs है and ये establish कर रही हैं अपने आप को for as a good law institute. But if you cannot afford another gap year, you can take an admission. I also recommend admission ले लो, अगले साल फिर CLAT दे देना. अगर निकल गया तो उसमें एडमिशन कोई अच्छा NLU ले लेना, वरना इसी में कंटिन्यू करना. ओके, आपका टाइम भी नहीं वेस्ट होगा और अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल भी जाए तो वो फोमो भी नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट राउट. ओके, सो यू कैन alleviate your anxieties by applying to some of these colleges. Right now you are on the edge कि भाई करूँ क्या, जाऊँ किधर. इधर जाओ, 16 जगह है, कहीं भी जाओ, गोवा जाओ, नोएडा जाओ, दिल्ली जाओ, wherever you want to. Okay, you can research these colleges. If you want a video on any specific college, I'll make it for you. Okay, on the reputation, placement, faculty, I'll make it for you. But ये 16 रास्ते हैं. These are plan A, B, C, D till plan 16th. So you're going to consider one of those. Okay, now this is everything that has to do with your CLAT scores. Now, outside CLAT, now किसी लोगों का CLAT अच्छा नहीं गया है. Even if the results are revised, you still have no hopes from CLAT scores. It's fine. You can redeem yourself with some other exams. CLAT के अलावा भी बहुत एग्जाम्स होते हैं लॉ के, जैसे LSAT, जो अब बन चुका है LNAT. LSAT is sadly stopped, but it's LNAT UK, जिसका स्लॉट में एग्जाम होता है और अप्रैल जुलाई तक उसका एग्जाम चलता है. सो यू कैन अप्लाई टिल जुलाई, यू हैव टाइम टिल जुलाई. तो आप ओपी जिंदल जा सकते हो, और भी कॉलेजेस हैं जो LNAT लेते हैं, या वरना बाहर भी जा सकते हो अपना बैचलर्स परसू करने को. Okay, and you obviously have MHCET. Okay, some of the best law colleges are located in Maharashtra, right? GLC, ILS, काफी competitive है. So if you want to get yourself into, you need to start your prep. Start your prep with us. You can start your prep yourself or anywhere, but start your prep ASAP. Majority of the students have already started their prep. ठीक है, इतना मुश्किल एग्जाम नहीं है, आपने सिलेबस क्लास में ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है majority of it. Whatever is spillover, you can cover in the remaining time. The exam is in April. Alright, then we've got SLAT. We know about that. You've got NLAT, NMIMS LAT. Okay, Christ University entrance test, NMIMS दोनों लेता है, CLAT का स्कोर भी लेता है और अपना खुद का एग्जाम भी लेता है. Christ University अपना खुद का एग्जाम ही लेता है. Okay, which is CUET. Rajasthan University Law Entrance Test. Okay, ICFAI Law School Admission Test. LPU, Lovely Professional University National Entrance and Scholarship Test. Okay, Banastali Vidyapeeth Aptitude Test, Army Institute of Law Entrance Test, and VMRF Law Aptitude Test. So a lot of these institutions are being repeated because majority of the these institutions consider CLAT score also, or they take their own exam score also. So you can, अगर CLAT में अच्छा स्कोर नहीं आया और इसे लग रहा है चांस नहीं है, इनका प्राइवेट एग्जाम दे देना, you might get into it. So their private exams are relatively easier than the CLAT exam. Except for LNAT, I can't say the same for LNAT. Okay, but other exams are relatively easier than CLAT and ALET. So if you've already prepared for those, तो हो ही जाएगा. Okay, so if you're not proud of your CLAT scores, you can consider these and get yourself into a university. Okay, reduce your apprehensions, reduce your anxieties, and consider other routes just in case NLU नहीं होता है. Just in case. ठीक है, फटाफट मैंने ये भी काम कम कर दिया है. यू विल स्टार्ट योर एप्लीकेशंस ASAP. ओके, क्लैट का जो है ना फाइनल रिजल्ट पुश किया जा रहा है. फरवरी में बोला था फर्स्ट वीक में आ जाएगा, फरवरी खत्म होने को आया, खत्म ही हो चुका है, अभी तक नो रिस्पॉन्स. सो वी हैव नो आइडिया कब तक रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. सो आई रेकमेंड यू स्टार्ट अप्लाइंग टू at least some of these colleges, and these are all the documents you need to keep handy. Let me move out of the frame, quickly take a screenshot. Okay, these are all the documents you need to keep in hand to apply for these colleges. ठीक है, done. Tiny little video, but the intent of this video was to guide majority of my dearest students who are completely lost, completely on edge, कि कहाँ जाए, क्या करे, कैसा फील करें. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा calm down करो. Okay, sadly if you are one of those who had put all the eggs in one basket and only applied for CLAT and ALET, थोड़ा मुश्किल चल रहा है अभी, इसलिए इसमें से मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कॉलेजेस अभी भी एप्लीकेशंस ले ही रहे हैं. ठीक है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कॉलेजेस. ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक किसी का अभी एप्लीकेशन बंद भी हुआ है. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कॉलेज का तो चालू भी नहीं हुआ है. सो कंसिडर इट. क्लैट का स्कोर अच्छा आया या नहीं आया, फिर भी कंसिडर करो, बिकॉज इट्स कम्प्लीटली अनप्रिडिक्टेबल व्हाट इज गोना हैपन. ओके, इफ यू हैव एनी अदर डाउट्स, यूज द कमेंट बॉक्स फॉर गुड. ओके, आई एम अटैचिंग अ नंबर. इफ यू नीड somebody, my guideship or anybody's guideship, call us. Okay, we'll definitely guide you. And if you need videos on any of these specific colleges or any other topics, let us know in the comments. Always use the comment box for your own good. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped reduce your anxieties a little tiny bit. Okay, that is probably my job as a mentor, okay, to help my dearest students out. Okay, now if you need any more help, kindly let me know, and kindly share this video with all your other fellow CLAT 2026 aspirants. They might make use of this information. All right, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe the video.